AI is rapidly transforming our world. From self-driving cars to virtual assistants, AI is already impacting our daily lives. In industries like healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, AI automates tasks, improves efficiency, and drives innovation. In healthcare, AI develops new treatments, diagnoses diseases, and personalizes patient care. In finance, AI detects fraud, manages risk, and provides personalized advice. In manufacturing, AI optimizes production and improves quality control. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more innovative applications, transforming industries and our lives. AI excels in several areas, particularly data analysis. AI can analyze massive datasets faster and more efficiently than humans, uncovering hidden patterns and insights. AI is transforming customer service with sophisticated chatbots and virtual assistants, providing 24/7 support. This frees up human agents for more complex interactions. AI shines in predictive modeling, analyzing historical data to identify trends and make informed decisions. This gives businesses a significant competitive advantage. AI automates repetitive tasks like data entry and scheduling, freeing up human workers for more creative work. These are just a few examples of AI's strengths. As AI technology advances, it will excel in even more areas. AI is pushing the boundaries of what's possible, transforming the way we work and live. Section 4. Integrating AI into your business, a step-by-step guide. Bringing AI into your business might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Here's a simplified guide. First, identify opportunities. Pinpoint areas where AI could make a real difference, like automating a tedious process or improving customer service. Second, start small. Begin with a pilot project to test the waters and see how AI can work for you. Next, choose the right tools. Research and select AI tools that align with your business needs and goals. Fourth, data is key. Ensure you have clean, accurate, and well-organized data for AI algorithms. The quality of your data impacts AI performance. Lastly, embrace change. Be prepared to adapt and evolve as you integrate AI into your business operations. AI implementation is a journey, not a destination. Section 5. The future of business is AI-powered. The business world is on the cusp of an AI revolution. Those who embrace this technology will have a distinct advantage. Imagine businesses making data-driven decisions with unprecedented speed and accuracy. Personalized customer experiences become the norm, fostering stronger relationships and loyalty. Automation frees up human workers for higher-level creative endeavors, leading to increased job satisfaction. New products and services emerge, powered by AI's ability to analyze trends and solve complex problems. This constant innovation keeps businesses ahead of the curve. As AI technology advances, we can expect even more profound changes, leading to smarter, more efficient businesses. Section 6. Embracing the AI revolution. The rise of AI is an opportunity to be seized. By understanding AI's capabilities and taking a strategic approach, businesses can unlock its full potential and position themselves for success. The future belongs to those who embrace change and harness the power of AI to drive their businesses forward. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on AI and business transformation.